Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. As before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students? Everyone stand in your place. Stand. Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Jump. Stop. 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 Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Okay, sit in your place children. Everyone sit in your place. What you learned yesterday? See children, yesterday we learned estimate the difference. As only 2 sums I did. Today 2 more sums I will do. Okay, should listen. First you should estimate the sums. As after that what you have to do? You should do difference. Difference means what? Minus. Understood? See, 56. Rounding off. Rounding of 56 to the nearest tens. See, 56 nearest tens, 60. S. Next, rounding off 34 to the nearest tens. 34 nearest tens. What is that? 30. As. See, why 60 came? Because 6 greater than 5. As here. 4 as 4 less than 5. Yes or no? Now what you have to do? So the required difference is, see what you have to do? 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30. See, 60 minus 30. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 3. 6 fingers open, 3 fingers cut. Remaining how many? 3. The 3. What is that? 30. Remaining how many? 30 is the remaining. Understood children? Copy in the classwork. What we did here? Estimate the difference. Estimate we did. Again we did difference. Understood children? Copy in the classwork. One more example children. B1. 73 minus 56. Okay. What you have to do? You should rounding of 73. Yes. Rounding of 73 to the nearest tens. 73 nearest tens. What is that? Tell me. 73 nearest tens. 70 has 3 less than 5. Understood, children? Again, rounding of this number you should take as rounding of 56 to the nearest tens. See, 56 nearest tens, 60 as 6 greater than 5. 6 is greater as now. So, required difference is how much? 70 minus 60. 70 minus 60 is equal to, see, 70 minus 60. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 6. Open 7 fingers, 6 cut. Remaining 1 you should write. What is that? 10 is remaining. Understood, children? What we did here? We did nearest, estimate the sum. Estimate the means nearest tens we took. Again we did difference in 70 minus 60. Yes. Copy in the classwork, ma. You learn 2-digit number in the estimate difference as now 3-digit number. Estimate the difference. See, 257 minus 194. Okay. What we have to do? You should estimate the sum and after that you should do the difference. See, rounding of 257 to the nearest tens. See, nearest tens only should do. Nearest tens means what? For here, what is that number? 57. As 57 nearest, which number will come? 260. As 7 is greater than 5. As again rounding of, what is that number? 194. 194 to the nearest tens. 194. 194 nearest tens. 190. As 4 is less than 5. Understood? So, required difference is, what is that? 260 minus 190. See, 260 minus 190. As, see, 0 minus 0, 0. In the 6, 9 will go? No. What you have to do? You should take borrow. 16. 16 finger you can open? No. What you have to do? You should add 9 to up to 16. Understood? 9 after? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers came? 7 fingers came. That 7 you should write here. Here, 1 minus 1, 0. What is the difference? 70 is the difference. Understood, children? 70 is in difference. Copy in the classwork, ma. Children, open your workbook, everyone. Yesterday I told you 11th one and 12th one you should do. You did that? See, estimate the difference between 37 and 31. 11th one. 37 and 31. What you have to do? You should take nearest. As 37 nearest 40 minus 31 nearest 30. 40 minus 30. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 4 you should cut 3. What is that answer? 1. Yes. What is that answer? 10 now. See, if you cut 4 minus 3, remaining 1 you should write here. Total how much? 10. 10 is the answer. Understood, children? Next, 12th one. Estimate the difference between 92 and 77. 92 and 77. Estimate the sum they given. As you should take nearest terms. As 92 nearest 90 minus 77 nearest 80. As again what you have to do? Minus you should do. 90 minus 80. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 9 you should cut 8 fingers. See, take out your 9 fingers and cut 8 fingers. Remaining 1. That 1 you should write here. What is that answer? 10 is the answer. Understood, children? Next, 13th one. Estimate the difference between 527 and 236. Okay. Rounding of 527 to the nearest tens. See, nearest tens you should do. 527 nearest 530. As again rounding off 236 to the nearest tens. 236 to the nearest tens. 36 nearest 240. As now estimate the difference. Estimated the difference. What is that? 530 minus 240. You should do the minus now. 530 minus 240. See here. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 3, 4 will go? No. What you have to do? You should take borrow. 1 borrow you should take. How many? 13. Here 4. Yes. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 means what you have to do? See, you should open 13 fingers. You have 13 fingers? No. That's it. What you have to do? You should add 4 after 13. How much will come? See, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers came? 9 fingers came. That 9 you should write here. Understood, children? What I did? I didn't take any 13 fingers here. I counted after 4. 4 after 13. I counted. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Up to 13 I counted. How many fingers came now? 9 fingers. That 9 I wrote here. Understood, children? Next. Here. Remaining how many is there? 4. In the 4, what you have to do? You should cut 2. As 4 open, 2 cut. Remaining how many? 2. The 2 you should write. What is that answer? 290 is the answer. What is that answer? 290 is the answer. Copy in the workbook. Children, 13th one. Over now, 14th one now. Estimate the difference between 458 and 274. What you have to do? 14th one, solution. See, you should do the rounding off. First, rounding of 458 to the nearest tens. See, 458 nearest tens. 460. Yes. Next, rounding off what is that number? 274. Yes. 274 to the nearest tens. See, 274 nearest. 270. Understood, children? Estimated difference is equal to, what is that? Here which number is here? 460 minus 270. See, 460 minus 270. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 6, 7 will go. No. What you have to do? We should take borrow. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. What you have to do? You should count 7 after, up to 16 you should count. Understood? 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers came here? Tell me, how many fingers came? 9 fingers. Yes, that 9 you should write here. Here, 3 minus 2. 3 fingers open, 2 cut. Remaining 1. That 1 you should write here. What is that answer? 100. See, 190. Understood, children? 190 is the answer. Copy in the workbook, ma. Today this is only homework. You should write in the classwork and workbook. Understood? Next, 15th one you should do. 15th and 16th. Okay, children? Tomorrow I will explain that is right or wrong. Okay? 15th and 16th do in the workbook. Today homework that is.